Modern factories use smart automation systems to control machines and production lines efficiently. Inside the control panel, electrical signals are processed automatically to operate industrial equipment. Engineers create ladder logic programs to automate industrial machine operations step by step. Conveyor belts move products smoothly while the automation system controls motor speed automatically. Sensors and motors work together continuously to monitor and control factory machines accurately. Emergency safety systems instantly stop industrial machines whenever a dangerous situation occurs. Operators can monitor machine performance and control production using touchscreen display panels. Automatic packaging machines organize and move products efficiently across the factory production line. Water pumps and treatment systems operate automatically inside modern industrial facilities. Industrial sensors detect moving products and send signals for automatic machine responses. Electric motors start and stop automatically based on programmed industrial control conditions. Large production plants use advanced control systems to manage complete factory operations together. Industrial production line running continuously with synchronized conveyor systems and machines. Industrial technicians quickly troubleshoot machine problems using advanced diagnostic control systems. Modern manufacturing industries rely on smart automation for smooth and reliable production processes. All these systems work together under PLC control to manage the entire factory automatically and efficiently. This PLC system controls the entire factory automatically, making industrial production smart, fast, and reliable.